Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can upload your assets in CapCut Commerce. All you have to do now, you can open CapCut.com on your browser. Don't forget to sign in or sign up if this is your first time using CapCut. So after that, you can click on CapCut logo at the top left corner of your screen and click on CapCut Commerce. So here, in order to upload your assets, you can see there's a space here, left middle of your screen. Click it. Now here, in order to upload, you can click upload from device and choose your assets. So here we go. This is my assets that uploaded before, uploaded today, and this is the demo that maybe you can practice use this demo. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.